Hi everybody, I'm KHOU11 meteorologist Kim Castro here to catch you up on what's going on in the tropics in case you missed anything over the weekend. Several areas that we're keeping an eye on. For starters, Isaac has now dropped down in intensity from a hurricane now to a tropical storm. We're also keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Joyce, and now brand new, we've got Tropical Depression 12. This is likely to become Kirk for the start of the coming work week. A 30% chance, also brand new, for this wave coming off the west coast of Africa to see some development. It's pretty low latitude at this point, but upper air pattern is conducive to lift this up a little bit further north, which it would need in order to get some rotation. The Coriolis force doesn't exist at the equator, so it would need to gain a little bit of latitude for some development. And then closer to home, a higher likelihood for development with a 50% chance from the National Hurricane Center from this elongated area of low pressure in Central America to get some tropical characteristics and then eventually push into the Gulf. So that's something that we'll be watching here closely. Now, low pressure areas in Central America, pretty typical, especially for this time of year, September through November. It's what's called the Central American gyre. Upper level patterns spin out counterclockwise rotation in this area, typically dump down a lot of rain for Central America. Every now and then, though, these systems get pushed into the warm Gulf waters, and that's where they could start to get some characteristics that are more tropical in nature and where we could get another named system to spin up. Now, regardless of where this goes, if it does develop, whether it tracks into Mexico, goes closer towards the upper Texas coastline, or pushes into Florida, it still will have some implications here in Houston. Let me tell you why. For now, we're going to track mostly sunny, warm conditions. But as that system exits Central America and pushes into the Gulf, it's going to sling around some moisture. That's what the models are showing. So at least the periphery of the system, the counterclockwise flow could bring our coastal areas increased chance to see some showers. I think this is going to be likely for Friday into Saturday. Right now, some of the global models are pushing the potential development to our east. Now, we're still a little bit of a ways away from this, so just keep watching the forecast each and every day because we're not going to know exactly where this tracks until it develops, if it does. So this could very well change. Don't get married to the idea of where a system could go. Instead, look at the general picture. There's a chance that the upper Texas coastline is going to get some tropical rain as we head into the coming work week. So that's something to keep an eye on. We are still in the thick of hurricane season so far. These are the names that we've checked off. Kirk is up next with Tropical Depression 12, and then Leslie will come after that. Following that will be Milton. We did already pass peak of hurricane season, which is September 10th, but notice tropical activity stays pretty high August through October. So because we got a late start this season, I think October is going to stay fairly active, and then hurricane season lasts through November. So that is what I say. Keep an eye on us at least once a day. There's a lot that we need to watch for in the tropics.